Hi again everybody. Today we will be unboxing my new TC Electronic BAM 200 travel bass head. For the last 5 years I've been using the Gallien-Kruger MB200 200 watt 4 ohm bass head, and I've been very happy with it. But now that I have a couple of residencies here and there, I'd like to leave another bass head in place, just so I don't need to carry any bags or anything like that. So I saw the TC Electronic 200 watt 4 ohm BAM 200 model bass head, which apparently should be smaller than this, more compact, but with exactly the same power and exactly the same impedance. So let's unbox this little beauty and see what it looks like. First of all, oh, excellent. They've given me a kettle lid as well, which is great. Here's the little box, get rid of this box. Right, so this is the box. TC Electronic BAM 200 200 watt ultra compact bass head. 4 ohm is the resistance here. Oh, they've given me a European kettle lid as well. That's a nice touch. 2 kettle lids for free. You wouldn't say no, would you? Oh my god, this is tiny! Look at the size of this! Tiny little thing! Wow! No way! No way! In comparison to the very small Gallien-Kruger MB200, this is even smaller. I mean, look at the size of this! This is incredible! Oh my god, that's awesome. I can't wait to hear it. I cannot wait to hear it. It's a bit cold, so room condensation is going to affect this. So I'm not going to plug it in straight away. I'll leave it here for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll be right back with you over there with my amp cabinet. Right, now we're back 10 minutes later. There's no condensation, it's room temperature. I think we're safe to plug this baby in. Now I've prepared the cables here, and let's move this around. Okay, this is my Eden 250 watt bass cab, 12-inch, 4 ohm. It's very important, the impedance really, because if the speaker is not exactly the same impedance as this little bass head here, there will be obviously difference in power. This will work perfectly and most efficiently with the same resistance, which is in this case 4 ohm. So speaker lead goes into the back, so this is the back of it. Right, so what we have here is speaker out, DI out, mains in, and power switch. Right, so let's plug the speaker lead in. Make sure this is all in the picture. And the DI out, just to make sure you're able to hear the difference of the sound when I change the EQ in the front. So now, and also let's plug the bass in. Nope, that's alright. Headphones out, don't plug it in there, plug it into the input. Right, I'll turn the gain down for now. Master, I'll keep everything else at 12 o'clock, midday. Gain all the way down, because we don't know how powerful this is. Right, well, we know, in theory it's 200 watts. Now, let's find out if it works. It's on. Excited! Are you excited? I bet you're excited. Excited! It works. Now that we know that it works, what we're going to do is I'm going to record a bit. We are recording. Now, let's change. Get rid of all the treble here. So now let's get rid of the middle and see what happens. Very nice. Get rid of all the low end, no low end. It works. I love it. I love it when things work. Now let's give it a bit of a treble boost. Let's do this. Let's try this. A friend of mine told me this works for slap. Hope you liked it. Make sure you subscribe. Alright.